We follow the AQA History specification at GCSE. During the 3 years at Key Stage 4, you will learn 4 different units. The first unit, you will study a British depth study of Elizabethan England. Elizabeth I was Queen of England from 1558 to 1603. Some historians suggest she is England's greatest monarch, although she doesn't tend to be as well remembered as her father, the tyrant King Henry VIII. You will learn about Elizabeth's reign in its entirety, and then you can decide for yourself if she deserves the title of greatest ever monarch. The second unit is a thematic study. This module explores how medicine and public health developed in Britain from the 11th century to present day. You will learn about the Great Plague, medieval surgery, the first vaccine, medicine in the First and Second World Wars, and the formation of the NHS and other medical milestones. Studying the health unit seems more relevant today in 2021 than ever before. The third unit is a period study of Germany between 1890 and 1945. It focuses on the development and collapse of democracy and the rise and fall of dictatorship under the control of Hitler and the Nazi Party. The events covered in this topic are a timely reminder of the importance and fragility of democracy. The fourth unit is a wider world depth study of the Cold War. We pick up Unit 4 where we left Unit 3, the end of the Second World War. The main theme throughout is the different ideologies of the world's 2 superpowers, the capitalist USA and the communist USSR. We learn how and why tensions increased and decreased, revolutionary moments, proxy wars such as Korea and Vietnam, and events that brought planet Earth to the brink of nuclear destruction. As well as learning all of this new historical knowledge, you will practice key historical skills. Essay writing is a big part of the history course, as over 40% of the final exam papers are essay questions. Analysis is also a key skill that you will practice, and throughout the 3 years, you will have access to a number of different historical sources. Another fundamental skill is considering why historians have different interpretations. Look at this picture. When you look at this image, what is it you see? Is it a rabbit or is it a duck? Or is it both? I like to use this image as a metaphor for interpretation analysis in history. How can 2 people look at the same image and see completely different things? Academic historians do this a lot. They study the same event from the past but have completely different interpretations. It is your job as a GCSE historian to try and understand why.